How to manage backup option on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines right here. After you click on them, now click here down on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do is simple, scroll down, click on camera uploads. Now here you will find the backup option, click on it and you will be able to manage it and choose any from here. You can back up all your photos or new photos only. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.